In this video, we're going to learn how to fix login error in Version TV Go. First, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi to connect to a secure network. And if you're still facing any problems with the login, simply go to your settings and you want to scroll down and click on General. Click on iPhone Storage, scroll down and navigate yourself to the Version TV Go application. Click on Show All and scroll again. Here's our Version TV application. Simply tap on it and click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again and click on Reinstall App. By doing so, what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the application, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if you're still facing any other kinds of problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below.